Yo, what's up? Welcome to I don't know what I'm calling this yet. Probably like 4 knobs, 1 caravan. That works.
That is great.
Maddie likes it. This is gonna be like 4 parts, so you're gonna enjoy the ride. Maddie's gonna get drunk every night, so she may run off again. But we thinking montage music.
Yeah.
Montage music, yeah. Montage music. Montage music. So Maddie, how have you been since we last saw you?
Sleepy.
This is going. Oh shit! Everything's going wrong. Amazing. Let me see. Safety. Subscribe, Jolly Video! Can we try and fit Maddie in the boot?
She's not gonna fit.
Go on, do it.
As long as the boot doesn't close.
It won't close. Come on, keep, no, go fully in, fully in.
I'm not gonna get fully in, I have hips.
Hello Daniel. Hello. How are you? I'm good. Mora. Pog. Champ. Heavy door. Man, that gym's really helped you open doors, hasn't it? Oh, wait a minute, I am not having a double bed with you. Fuck off. No! No! He's just left a stinker.
What?
Pub, let's go.
Have you got your door key? One of you.
Matt, Daniel. What? Do you have the door key?
I have it.
Oh! Go on, man, you get on.
I don't want to die yet. Fuck the gym, just get back forever. Oh my god, thank you.
Pub. Oh. Go on, Maddie. Pub. What are you doing?
Earrings.
Maddie, come here, Maddie. Maddie, come on. I'm honestly right. Anyone that's subscribed to the channel, I love you, and I would kiss you on the toes or some shit. I don't know, but you're the best subscribers in the world, and I fucking love you. Subscribe, Jolly Video. We're this close to 1,000. Let's fucking go, boys.
We're more like this close to 1,000.
259 away.
Oh, it's like that close.
What the fuck is going on? You are that chat.
Go away.
This is
Your foot out. If I can be the demon like grab your foot.
You out there, Jason? Yeah. You cuddling your cider?
Yeah.
Wow, this is a state I didn't think I'd ever see. Then go upstairs to bed.
I don't know.
Morning, Jason.
I used to get
Shh, volume levels 1. Morning, Jason. How you doing?
Okay.
Hello, housekeeping. I provide happy endings too.
Guess who had the audacity to call me an annoying sleeper?
Yeah, I'll tell you why, right? Because I'm lying here and every 5 minutes she's rolling over and fucking elbow me in the face.
Probably because
Well,
you were clinging on to it.
So I was lying on the ground as I do, and then then the temperature dropped massively. So I went to get into bed. Jason was starfished across the entire bed. So firstly I had to push him to the side, and I still only had that much space, and I didn't have a support either. So I had to reach over and pull it, and then bring him back even more.
That doesn't sound healthy at all.
You just popped all over your bag.
I got a little bit mashed last night. I got a little bit wasted. Hungry boy. Hungry boy.
Is there a burger in it?
It's a sausage and melt.
Don't get hangovers, the only one hanging over.
I don't get hangovers. However, it appears when I drink too much soda.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Montage.
What can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demiguy. What can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demiguy. Hey.
Simulation's just gone wrong.
That is the sea.
Sky. It's not the sea.
It's not the sea.
It's not the sea. It's the fucking sky, bro. Right. What the fuck are them clouds then?
What?
That's what I mean. It's clouds. It's the sky.
Not the sea.
Yes, but now I see the sea. Okay, buddy.
Hey, there's a really weird cloud.
You're a witch.
There might just be a sandbag.
Really need a
Telling
piss.
you.
Really need a piss.
This is the double yellow line, Jason.
Not in the box, you fucking dumb cunt.
Are you out there, Jason?
No.
I don't think I need anything else.
Cool, let's go. Put the bag in the boot. Ouch. I'm not okay. Slam. This is
Go on, you got it, Dan.
Yes.
Woo!
For me.
They're off already. Dan, dump her over the fence.
Yes,
I'm doing this.
Really like. This makes it so easy. Why are you just taking this to get out my ass?
Why is that lady holding the baby by his neck?
Because he's a doll, not a baby. Oh. And he just knocks me out with the door. Nice.
Turn around.
Oh, he's so cute.
And your friend. What do you mean he's cute? He's a seagull.
That was close.
That was so close.
Yeah, but it's good luck if you get shot.
Holy shit. Bro, you got sausages in your burger, bro. Maddie, food vlog. Run us through your meal choice.
Chips and saveloy and curries. I don't know what else you want me to say.
Jason, run us through your meal choice. It's a fat burger with sausage in it. Excuse me, I'm not deep frying this jumbo sausage. See what it's there? Funny. It's funny, it's an innuendo, bro. Do you get it? I'm gonna put a laugh track on this just to make it funny. Look at these dudes.
Assholes.
Yeah, look at these dickheads in the fucking check-in.
Taking so long.
I know, right?
Oh my god. Wankers.
We made it.
Oh my god, it's smaller.
Huh?
Got my own corner look, because I'm a fat cunt. I can literally be bow all weekend.
Jason.
Yeah. Am I not showering for a week? I love the fact there's a
Give us sweet.
He's done it.
Wait.
yes, lads.
I mean, it ain't terrible.
I feel like I could break out of it. Fuck me.
Hello, goat. Subscribe, jolly video.
We're going to pick one.
Go on then, pet the goat.
You can't reach.
Oh, that's good.
Wait, I don't know if I have got yours, mate.
Dan, you having a good time? I gave it to you.
Great time.
I haven't got yours. I've only got one.
It's not cold, you just push. All that is freezing. Dan, just swoop her up like you usually do.
Bro, we should do the jackass thing for the entire holiday. We need to go buy a boxing glove.
Master your prep for uni.
Yeah. You get a pizza cut when you just have a
Pair of scissors.
This is a smart idea. Have you tried using it?
Bon appetit.
No.
Put my eyelashes.
Blonde amputee.
Put my eyelashes on the cheese covers.
I'm gonna
I'm gonna blend in, they're not gonna see me.
Do you know where Maddie's gone?
No idea, bro.
Do you know where Maddie's gone? Yeah, I have no idea where Maddie's gone. Why is the chair really lumpy today? Oh, that's depressing.
I want to do the touchdown.
If this, are we ready to be terrified in the escape room? A brilliant score! And are you good, mate? Sorry, Rumham.
Caravan, because I need a shit.
Is it my burn now?
I need a shit.
Yo, Jason, we give me like,
I'm Crocodile Dundee.